Are you frustrated by the limitations of legacy GL solutions? Meet GL Connect, the advanced financial reporting solution designed to offer faster, more reliable, and intuitive reporting directly within Excel. Finance teams encounter frequent challenges with legacy GL solutions, such as delayed data refreshes, restricted drill-down options, and cumbersome workflows that hinder decision-making. These inefficiencies waste valuable time and compromise accuracy. Cloud and EBS reporting. Experience the advantage of reporting in real time for EBS and near real time for Fusion Cloud, all within the familiar and convenient Excel environment. A financial statement builder. Construct detailed financial statements by transforming Excel into a powerful tool for accurate and efficient financial reporting. Bursting and distribution of reporting. Maximize efficiency in report distribution with bursting and distribution feature, enabling automated, targeted delivery of financial reports across your organization. Drill down with GL Connect. Explore the simplicity and depth of drill down feature in this video, showcasing how you can seamlessly navigate from summary to detailed financial data within Excel. Custom hierarchies. Efficiently organize and view your financial data with custom hierarchy feature, offering perspectives and enhanced data analysis within Excel. Report sharing features. See how bursting and distribution feature simplifies and automates the process of financial report sharing, ensuring timely and targeted delivery across your organization. Performance. Faster report generation and data processing. Flexibility. Replace 30+ static reports with dynamic templates. Scalability. Ready for your transition to Oracle Cloud ERP. Ease of use. Designed for finance professionals, no advanced technical knowledge needed. Leading organizations are replacing legacy reporting solutions with GL Connect to cut financial close time up to 40%. Eliminate redundant reports and manual processes, and experience reporting in real time for EBS and near real time for Fusion Cloud. With lower licensing costs, exceptional customer support, and powerful capabilities beyond financial reporting, SplashBI ensures a seamless transition with expert implementation support. Book your demo today.